Hi everybody. So I want to show you what this Lakota squash looks like, and I'll put my hand there for reference. It's huge, and as you can see, it's still climbing. And we have moss squash, it's still growing. And I'll come back and do a tour over here. So I turned on the camera today because I was putting together the arch for the roses, and I did not record putting it together because it was kind of involved and frankly a little frustrating and annoying, but there it is, and I finally hammered it in, gotten the stakes in, and these one of the roses. I made sure I have enough space for the greenhouse door to open and close. And on this side we have the barrel right there, and a little past that we have the other end of the arch, and there's the rose on the other end. And as I have mentioned before, this rose is the Tangerine Skies. It's going to be orange and it's already starting to bloom, and I'm going to train it to go up the arch, and I have lights that I'm going to put up. And if those are not as frustrating, I'll probably record that process. But let's see if I can show you the whole thing. Well, close to the whole thing. Alright, let's see if we can get a better shot. And once again, I will do another video once I have the lights in place, so you can see the complete theme that I'm going for, and to make sure that arch doesn't break or move when we have high winds, because we do get some high winds here. I also got these stakes. I have these stakes that I'm going to use to help hold it in place. Yeah, that was a whole day's effort getting that arch in place. And you would think that Gardener Supplies would have some better instructions, but they did not. So I'm really looking forward to seeing those roses climb. But yes, I'm really happy once you get past the frustration of trying to put it together. Then it's really exciting, and I had to get Roger to help me move it from where I was building it and to get it in place. So we will see you either for the tour, yes, my August tour, and also after I put up the lights, or while I'm putting up the lights. I am really excited about this. And maybe I should hang something up there. We'll see. All right. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.